Hello class 9. Now in previous video we studied about the structure of flower, a bisexual structure of a flower. Now today I am going to explain you general description of the reproductive parts of the flower. All of you know it. First part, two parts, reproductive part, male part and female part. Now I am going to start with androecium or stamen, that is the male part of the flower. Androecium or also called stamen. Stamen is the male part. See structure here. This is anther. This lobe-like structure is anther, and this thread-like structure, this is filament. This is filament. Now when you cut it vertically from here, horizontally, see. The structure will be like this. This is the upper cap-like structure, this upper one, and this lower part, this one. This is TS of anther. This sac-like structure are called pollen sac. This round structure called pollen sac. And inside the pollen sac, small round-like structures are present that are called pollen grain. Pollen grains. Okay, this is the structure of androecium or stamen, and this is the TS of anther. This is the TS of anther. This upper part is anther and lower part is filament. Collectively it is called stamen or androecium or male part of the flower, and when you cut it you just see it clearly. Here sac-like structure, that is a pollen sac which contain a small dotted like structure. This is called pollen grains. Now androecium are of two type, or stamen are of two type, that is free stamen like in Petunia hybrida, or in botanical term that is polyandrous. That is polyandrous condition. When stamens are in free condition, that condition are called polyandrous condition. When it is united or joint, is called, it is of three type. It is of three type. First is monodelphous. Next is didelphis. And third is polydelphous. See, polydelphous condition. Okay, for example, didelphis condition, Petunia hybrida. Here its stamens are, it is an ornamental plant, Petunia. Here stamens are free, not jointed. In monodelphous condition, united in one group, like for example in China rose or hibiscus plant. Monodelphous condition are present. In didelphis, that is P. In didelphis, united in two groups, like suppose first is like this, it unites and form one group, and second group is like this. There forms two groups, one group and two group. This condition is called didelphis. For example in P. And polydelphis like Bombyx morai, like in Bombyx, that is silk, that is in Bombyx, and polydelphous condition, like here stamens are forms so many groups like this. Here one group, two group, and three group, more than one group, and in several group, that is called polydelphous condition. Bombyx morai is a silkworm which is present on the Bombyx plant. Okay. Now next is what is stamen? Stamen is androecium is made up of stamen. It is a male reproductive organ. Each stamen is made up of filament and anther, and one connective. This one is connective, where filament joins to the anther. Anther contains pollen sac which further contain pollen grain. Anther contain pollen sac, and which further contain, that is pollen grain. Now next is female part also called gynoecium. It is called gynoecium or carpels, also called pistil. Also called pistil. See the simple structure. This is stigma. This upper part is stigma. This tube is style. The solen area is ovary, thalamus, stalk. Inside the ovary, ovules present. Placenta also present in the case of plant. Now this is stigma, style, ovary, and inside the ovary this is ovule. See here, this is ovary. Inside the ovary this is ovule, this round structure, this one is ovule. And where is placenta? This is ovule, and this one is placenta. This is placenta and this is ovule. Okay, now ovary are of this is carpal. It is a innermost roll of the flower and is called pistil. It is made up of carpels. It is the female reproductive organ. Each carpel consists of 3 parts: ovary, style, and stigma. Ovary contains ovule. This one, ovary contains ovules. When the gynoecium has one carpel, is called monocarpellary. This is monocarpellary. This condition is called monocarpellary condition. And if contain 2 carpels like this, so this is base. If it is contained 2, this is style and this is stigma. If it contains 2 carpel, it is called bicarpellary, and more than 2, so that is polycarpellary. And if the carpels are free, the gynoecium is called apocarpus. If carpels are united, is called the syncarpus condition. If carpels are united, is called the syncarpus condition. According to the presence or absence of the roll, flower are of 2 types. First is complete or incomplete flower. Complete flower or incomplete. Incomplete. What is complete? All 4 rolls are present. That is called complete. 4 rolls like sepal, petals, stamen, and carpal. All 4 are present. That is called that are called a complete flower. When if any one roll is absent, that is called incomplete flower. Okay. Now flower are of 3 types. That is bisexual flower, unisexual flower, and neuter flower. Flower are of 3 types: bisexual, unisexual, and neuter. And neuter flower and neuter flower. What is bisexual flower? Both stamen and carpel are present. That type of flower is called bisexual flower. And unisexual, here both plants are separate, male or female part, that is a staminate and pistillate part. That means staminate may only have androecium, so now it is called staminate flower, and only have this gynoecium is called pistillate flower. And neuter flower, stamen and pistils are not present, both are absent, so that is called neuter plant. That is called neuter plant. Now again, what is bisexual? When both the parts, like stamen and carpels, both are present, the type of flower is called bisexual flower. When any one is present in the flower, like androecium present, so now it is called staminate flower. If gynoecium is present, it is called pistillate flower. If any one is present, that is called unisexual. Unisexual is again 2 types, staminate and pistillate. When only androecium is present, that type flower is called staminate flower, and when only gynoecium is present, that type of flower is called pistillate flower, is with this word pistil, pistillate flower. Neuter flower are those stamen and pistil not present. Okay, stamen and pistil not present. On the basis of the position of the ovaries, flower are classified into 3 types: hypogynous, perigynous and epigynous.